time! I love you.
Can you do it again?
One more time! Oh, you're funny. Now, blow Mommy a kiss. Blow Mommy a kiss. Blow Mommy a kiss.
Oh, you
be
back
careful.
up.
Come
forward
you
some.
You don't want to hit your head on the wall.
Come forward some so you don't hit your head on the
way.
wall. Come toward.
There
Okay.
you go. Oh, yeah. Can you blow Mommy a kiss and do it? Blow her a kiss. Then do it. Blow Mommy. Blow her a kiss.
Careful, don't hit your head on the wall.
Now do it.
Do this. Do the arm over the head.
Oh, ow.
What about your butt?
My butt.
Are you seeing my butt?
Am I seeing your butt? You want me to see your butt? Yeah, okay.
Tickle it? Let me tickle it. Tickle, 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 tickle. Okay, be careful.
Up.
What?
Up.
Did you hurt yourself?
Up.
You want me to get up there? Oh, wow, I'm not as pretty as you on camera. Look at that.
With my hair.
She wants you to put on her
Oh,
underpants.
you want me to put the hat back on? Okay. You can wear the hat. That's
Yay!
Yay! Okay.
Yay!
Do not, because I
Yay!
will murder you. Don't do it, and I'm not kidding. If I find this on the internet later, I'm going to kick your rear end.
YouTube and Facebook.
Yay! Yay!
Careful,
Watch your
Eleanor.
hat.
Come forward a little, babe.
Come give me a kiss in the hat.
Well, you're gonna get it on tape if you're giving her a kiss.
You going to give me a kiss in the hat? Hmm? Blowing Mommy kisses. Oh, thank you.
Careful, babe.
Yes. Happy time.
It's happy time? Yeah, it's happy time. Be careful next to that wall. Okay? I do like that dress you have on today.
Happy time.
Be
Careful,
careful
happy
next to that
time.
wall.
Happy time.
It's happy time. No. No. Yeah, you can touch it. Touch it. See? On.
A banana.
You want to see Uncle Nana? Okay. Let's see if we can find him. Uncle Nana. Where's he? There he is. What's he got on? Oh,
What'd she do? Call him?
What's he got on in the picture?
I don't know.
He's got on LV sunglasses, right?
Mickey Mouse.
You want to see Mickey Mouse? Let me see if I can find him. Can I take this hat off yet? Yeah? Okay. You want to put the hat on?
Can you say bye-bye?
Okay, I'll put the hat on. You say bye-bye.
Bye.
Mickey Mouse.
I'll say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye, Mickey Mouse.